Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to gather copper ore in Icarus. This is going to be especially useful for crafting copper ingots, which can be used for all sorts of things, and it is essential for progressing further in game. So to begin, first of all, go ahead and find a cave, just any cave, and there, go inside of it. There are going to be some worms, so make sure you're prepared, have some weapons on you, and once you've defeated them, now you can go ahead and look around the cave and find some copper ore. This is going to look like this, a green and oranges ore. The ground, just pick out your pickaxe. You can use the stone pickaxe as the beginning tool, and later in game use some iron, steel, and many other better tools to mine it. So just go ahead and mine the copper ore, and as you can see, you'll get some of it inside of your inventory. And this is pretty much all how to get it, so make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.